Okay, today we're going to be learning to recognise patterns to fives in a range of ways using a range of materials here. Okay, so we're going to start with the fives frame. We're going to see if you can very quickly, using resources you have around the house, children's toys, etc. We're going to see if the child can quickly, using the fives frame, identify the number. Okay, so get them to close their eyes, open up. 3, 2, 1, 3. Okay, so that's a quick recall. Close their eyes. 1, 2, 3. Can they quickly tell you? 3, 2, 1, open. And 4. Very quickly. And you can do that for a range of different toys that you've got for the child. You can get them to close their eyes again. Pop the dinosaurs on. 3, 2, 1, show. 5. Very quickly, getting them to quickly identify that it's a full fives frame, it's full up to the top. So that is 5. You could take one away while they're looking, ask them to quickly tell you how many's there now. 5, take away 1 is 4, and you can use that language as well as you speak. 1 less than 5 is 4. You can show you it's back to a full set again. You could take away 2 this time. 5, take away 2 dinosaurs, leaves 3 dinosaurs. Very quickly, getting them just using that language as you speak through with them, modelling it all the time. Again, and quickly identify how many's on the page now. 1. Okay, and that means there's 4 spaces missing. There are 4 dinosaurs taken away. Okay, so you can use the fives frame in that order. The other thing we've got is dominoes. So if you get your child, so just find some dominoes or make some up on a little bit of paper. See if they can quickly identify. So this one is 0. There are no dots, so 0. 1. Get them to do 2. And you can flash these like little flashcards. 3. You can get them to quickly see if you can turn them all over. And turn one over. 5. How quick can they recall that? How quickly can they see that pattern? Okay, turn it back over. 4 and 1. Okay, so seeing if they can do that. See if they can order them. See if they can put them in order of going from biggest number down to the smallest and vice versa. See if they can do that. So you can do that with the dominoes. And again, you could put quick fire with your finger. 2, 4, 1, 5, 0. Get them to quickly, as efficiently as they can. Okay, it's about repetition. These things are about imaging and seeing and remembering. So you can do it that way. You could do it with sets of playing cards. Again, you could use them like flashcards. You'd have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then 0. And you can turn them over. You can tell them, you could even say what number comes after this, and they could say 3. What number comes just before this number, and see if they can work that out as well. Okay. On our number line, get their number line. Using a pen, you can use your fingers and do, for example, quickest finger, 2. So, and see if they can circle 2 on their number line. 1, get them to circle. Okay, 3, 2, 1, show. 5, see if they can read that. Okay, and you can get them going down, and you can get them counting up their number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and back down again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. You can also use the pictures of the Numicon that is up here and displayed up on top of the number line. Show me number 4. And so you could even use your pen and cover up the numbers at the bottom. Show me number 5. Get them to quickly point. Show me 0, and so on. Okay, you could get them to show me the number pattern after number 2. Show me the number pattern before 4, number 4. So you can do it in lots of different ways. Another one is seeing if they can mirror maybe the cards. See if they can mirror. I've got some cards here. So if I was number 5, see if they can very quickly, using some objects, 2, 3, oh, I think my cards are too big, 4 and 5. See if they can quickly make that pattern. Again, you could cover the pattern up, make sure that they're not having using it. If they need to at the beginning, let them see it, let them copy it, the patterns. As time goes on, take that away. See if they can hold that image up in their head, which is super important for later on for counting on and adding and things, where they're going to have to hold a number, an image of a number in their head and count on from that number. Okay. You can do another thing what's called the part whole. So we've got part and whole. So this is starting to get the children to think about, I have a quantity, how can it be broken up? How can I split up my quantity there to, and again, this is early addition, subtraction, trying to make sense of two groups coming together. It can go in either way. You can start off with a whole number and split it up and work out different ways to split up and find out which two numbers come together to make a whole number. Or you can do it in the reverse. You could start down here. You could put some objects in the circles and gradually count them in. So let's have a wee shot at that. I'm going to actually use my building blocks here again. So I am going to start off with 5 building blocks. And I'm going to see which way I can split them up. So I've got, pull that down a wee bit. I have got 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So I started off with 5 building blocks. And then I split it up. So I had 1, 2 in this side. And I had 1, 2, 3 in this side. Now these are in little poly pockets, so they're nice and easy to write on and rub off. You could keep a record of the ones that you've done. You could do that in your jotter, or you could just write it on the bottom of the sheet as well. So, so it's nice and easy to rub off. You've got 3 add 2 equal 5. So if I add 3 blocks and 2 blocks and add them up here all together, I would get 5 blocks all together. You can do it another way. So you could rub that out for your child. And you can do it with 5 here. So you can put your 5 up at the top, and you can see if they can work it out another way. You put 1 block here and 4 blocks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. So ask them again, how many was at the beginning in the top one? There was 5 altogether. And then we split it up. We've put 1 in this box, and we put 1, 2, 3, 4 in this box. So there we've got ourselves a little number sentence. We have got 4 blocks here, 4 blocks plus the 1 block from here. That gave us 5 altogether. And what you could do is you could just get them to double check. So they're working backwards here. Okay, you could get them to count that back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. I had 1 more in there and I got 5 as my total. You could even get them to put it in the number 5 pattern here to double check that they definitely have 5. Triple check. There you are. So that's how to use the part whole boards. Okay. Any questions? Just give Mrs. Blair an email or a message somehow and see if we can give you a little bit more help. Okay, have fun, boys and girls. Bye.